What is going on, traders? Hope you guys all had a great trading week and hope you all stayed green, followed your rules. Hope you guys had patience and were able to hit your goals and all that good stuff. I just wanted to do a quick recap on our week. We had about $2,400 in profits. We only had one red trade this week. It was an $80 loss on XPEV. So I've been doing a great job keeping losses smaller than our gains over the past few months, and it's been a really fun. So yeah, I hope you guys also are doing well and able to lock in some nice trades. I wanted to take a look at a couple of our good trades this week, some of our larger trades, and just go over entry and exit. So you can see here on Palantir back on Thursday, had this nice bounce here almost to the penny on the low before this bounce. And this was about 10 minutes into the trading session, about 11 minutes in. Actually, what we did here was we took a short position. If you see here, took a short position for 1,000 shares, closed it out almost at the penny for the low, and opened up another short position at $23.04, almost at the penny high for before that dip. We were hoping that this would keep selling off and we'd be able to snag more profit on this right here back down to where we were before, but it bounced really hard really quick, ended up cutting that trade and taking a very tiny loss on it. And you can see right after that it went right back down to the zone we were looking for, but that's okay. That trade was about $600, so we did really I did really well on that one and was very happy with it. No harm, no foul. Going in the next day, basically the same thing. We took a little short here right before the open and closed that out. Had a little reset. Started building a position back on this dip. This entry and stuff was because of order flow and time and sales and retracement from the previous day. So I took this trade. I started out at 500 shares, and you can see it didn't go my way right away. Zoom in here. Took 500 shares right here. Didn't go my way right away, but I was very confident in my experience with watching time and sales and order flow, and it added more to this trade when I was in the loss. And so we were overall 1,500 shares at this point, and had the nice bounce and took profits right at the high, and then it sold off. So really good entry. You can also see we had a fantastic entry here. Could have bought here, could have bought there. Didn't. We waited for the bull signal and got another entry here almost at the penny low for the day. Got all of this nice bull run right here, and my goal was to hold this until it reached back up to $22.70, right where we had bought before, and it gave it up right away, and I only took about $100 profit on that. We were up over 400 in that one little bounce there. And you can see eventually later in the trading session, it did in fact get there. It just took longer than I thought. I think the market just kind of slowed down a little bit and gave that up really fast. But overall, really proud on the patience there on that entry point and not taking a loss. Just really glued into those orders and looking at volume and stuff like that. And really proud of the patience and these really good entry points over the past few days. We are also short. Oh, let's look at our one red trade. So we had XPEV. We traded XPEV a couple times. Our first trade was green. This was on Wednesday. We took a short position on XPEV right here and closed it out there. Not the biggest trade ever, but we're seeing that obviously getting exhausted by looking at this price action. So we took a little profit there, but then gave back our profits the next day. We thought this was getting exhausted and ended up having this bounce here, and we had to close out this short position and took a little bit of a loss there. Basically gave back the gains we made the day before on it, but that's okay. That was our only red trade all week right there. That's it, one red trade, and overall we took about 7 or 8 trades this week. So yeah, and we are also short Disney. I keep saying we, I don't know why. I'm also short Disney, and who shorts Disney? That's crazy, right? Who would ever short Disney? I pretty much never short large caps, especially not well-known large caps. That's just crazy to me. But the reason I'm short Disney is obviously their earnings report, as some of you have heard, was pretty rough. A lot to do with the clarity behind their subscribers and what that how that's really impacting the revenue. There's not a lot of clarity there, and it seems weak. So they sold off really hard. The reason I'm building a short position, or did build a short position, is because this price action pre-market on Thursday was pathetic. Like, we didn't even try to bounce in pre-market on Thursday. It just sold off all the way into the bell. And then this, for being a large cap stock that doesn't have a very volatile beta, and that is not this volatile at all, this was a big dip for Disney, and not even trying to have a bounce at the open. So this was extremely bearish. All this price action here, this buying up, we were adding to our short position and adding to it and adding to it and adding to it. Even added more to it in pre-market the day before, and was very confident that we were going to give all of this back up. A lot of this, in my opinion, was just rebalancing, probably lots of auto trading, and I don't know, maybe some buyers trying to rebalance the stock, because this was a massive dip for a large cap stock. And so it wasn't going to just dip forever and not stop. It's only going to dip so much before certain things start to force it to rebalance. And so you can see that gave it all up the next day. Sold off and didn't even stop on Friday's trading session. Now we're in the green on this short, and some people are saying buy it up, it's a discount. If you're long, that's probably not a bad idea. I'll probably close out this trade eventually next week, hopefully on Monday. My goal, if you look at a 3-year chart, this is a 3-year chart for Disney, and these candlesticks are 1-day candlesticks. Get these orders off the screen here. Go. You can see here's our price action, our recent price action. We gave up this candle here, didn't even try to respect it, just cut right through that support, and we've been selling off all through Thursday. My price target is going to be around 150, this significant zone here. Hopefully this will act as support. I'll probably close around 154, 153 if we're able to get down there, and then I'll buy it back up and try to play a bounce opportunity on it. That's my goal for Disney, and hopefully if it does play out that way, who knows, it is a large cap stock. It's dangerous to short something like that for an extended period of time. If it does play out that way, and then that will be probably close to a $2,000 trade, which will be nice. But yeah, not something I do very often. Don't recommend shorting large cap stocks like that. Yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for hanging out. If you want to sharpen your skills a little bit more every single day and become a little bit better every single day at day trading, this channel is for you. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for checking it out, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Take care.